Well, we just got off the ship, and it was a big mess up there, but we're in Icy Strait Point. And Janet's looking around thinking, this is where we got off last time, huh? Anyway, we're going on a Spasski River bear search again, and hoping to see bears. And we were supposed to be at the Adventure Lodge, or whatever they call it, right now. So we'll see if they waited for us. That's our ship. I call it the Eurodam. There's this nice green bridge. Glacier Bay is just right up in there. Not there, but behind the ship. And the Adventure Lodge is right there. So it's only a 5-minute walk, maybe, in a crowd of people. Well, I see Adventure Lodge wasn't the right word. It's Adventure Center and the Duck Point Smokehouse Restaurant. So Icy Strait Point is Native American owned, Native Alaskan owned.
Now, do we have any bars? Do I have bars? Sorry, I gotta see.
I think there's a bar over there. Okay. So this is where the tours leave from. Hey, Spasski Rivers. See, it says it on the sign up there. There's umbrellas. All right, we made it. What Janet wants you to know is that this is the second time we've done this same tour. We did it a few years ago, and we didn't see any bears. That was in the daytime. It's going to be getting dark here in an hour or so. So hopefully the bears are still eating. Bye. So our tour has left the Adventure Center. This is the gondola. I think there's another one over on the other side though. But this is about $50 a person. Comes right there. We're gonna walk to a bus, take a bus ride to the river, get out and walk along a trail looking for bears down by the river. There's viewing platforms. I know, because I did it before. And that's the zip line, zip rider.
I'll say they've lost the passengers though.
Yeah, it's the Ghost Rider. It used to be the longest one in the world, but somebody built a longer one. If you want to do that, it's $150 a person. Good. It's icy here.
Yeah.
Beautiful name. Huna. So this is our bus. And I got a feeling we're going to be at the very back of it.
In 1996, it was purchased by Huna Totem Corporation. They began turning it into a cruise destination. In 2004 was the year that a very small village of 780 people welcomed a cruise ship to this island. 2004, that first year, about 11 ships visited these shores. This year, 2022, 284 ships.
Driving through the town of Huna.
Island, because that right there is a true bay. That is called Graveyard Island, and that is where the second
nothing
graveyard
touristy
is
about it,
on this island.
except the
There are several nice totem poles in town. We'll talk about a few of
No,
those
probably not. Look at the
back.
canoes.
I'll tell you the story, and I'll teach you how to read a story totem
Easy
pole
up.
in Alaska.
Local
Coming up on
Gibson
your
art?
right in the
Maybe
tall
there is
cottonwood tree is
some
an
touristy
active
stuff here.
eagle's nest.
Well, we're off the shuttle bus, and let me just give you a few notes. It's called Spasski. At least that's what the guy keeps pronouncing it. Spasski River. We're in the Tongass National Forest, of course. Southern Alaska. The Tongass is the largest national forest or park in the United States. And we are going to go look for bears.
Safety first, fun second. Although my granddaddy used to tell me when I'd leave, he goes, be
And that's
safe, have
our
fun.
armed guards
You can't do
right
both,
there.
just have fun.
They have rifles. So we're going down there. And I believe this is the exact same place we went down before.
There you are.
And there's a guy with a gun. Oh, he sees something. So it's about 7:30, which is sunset here today. We're in the middle of September. We're going down this trail, looking for bears, of course. I wish you could see some of this, because it's, old growth. So now we're on a muskeg, I assume, and that's why we're on this boardwalk. So that's like peat under there, very spongy and sinkholes everywhere and dangerous. So we're going to stay on this trail. Is this the cabbage? I think that's the Alaskan skunk cabbage. Put a net on these boards to make it non-slip. There's a sinkhole or a mud bog.
Yeah, there's another one on the other side.
There's the trail on ahead of us. I think that's our armed escort in front. It's definitely twilight. And we saw a couple deer from the bus, but I see nothing out here. So we're deep in the forest again, and that's the river out there, the valley, and our first viewing platform is ahead. So somebody's taking flash pictures. So that flash has a range of about 12 feet. I hope it's close. Oh, it's dark. I could use a flash right now, huh? So way off in the distance is the bear. He's going behind that tree. And there he is, walking along the river, right?
There's a bump on its back too, like the bristles do.
Rock. So we're moving to the second platform now. First we're looking at his butt. There we go. So we're approaching platform number 2, which will be closer to the bear we saw off in the distance. So here's a different bear. So we're all being really quiet, but there's nothing out there now. There was a bear right up there around the bend there, but I don't see it now. This is viewing platform 3, and someone's taking a picture. Our tour's over, and we did see bears, 3 bears to be exact, but it was a little dark, so the pictures are not going to be very good. Well, you just saw them, so you know. That's the best we could do in the nighttime. But from Icy Strait Point,
This is Janet
and Gareth,
saying Port Monkeys out.
and we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Hey, by the way, they have a snack bar here.